Today we will be reading a little booklet about U.S. coins. The four U.S. coins that we will be learning about are the penny, the nickel, the dime, and the quarter. And then there's a quiz on the back page. So let's begin. I'll start here with the U.S. coins on the right side of the page instead of the left side of the page. I apologize for that. This is the way it uploaded, so I had to keep it just like this. So I apologize, guys. U.S. coins. Let's learn about the penny. The penny is worth 1 cent. And of course, the face, this is the front of the penny. This is the back of the penny. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th president of the USA, is on the front of the penny. The Lincoln Memorial, a building honoring President Lincoln, is on the back of the penny. Do pay close attention as you're going through the booklet. Do take a moment to just carefully analyze each picture. So here I see that the back of the coin does say 1 cent. And so that's very important, that if you're just looking at the coin and you're trying to add a combination of coins and you're not sure about the value of the coin that you're looking at, just observe it very carefully. Usually somewhere on the coin you'll get a hint, some kind of clue about how you need to add the value of that coin. Okay, and then here the wording says a penny is worth 1 cent. If we were in person, we would actually practice our handwriting here by writing a penny is worth 1 cent. And since we are not in the classroom, I would like for you to use your label tool and type in a penny is worth 1 cent. Now remember, when you do that, that your sentence should begin with a capital A, just like this one does, and your sentence should end with some type of punctuation, in this case a period. So pay close attention to that. All right, thank you. Let's go on and learn about 2 more coins. Okay, so now let's learn about the nickel and let's learn about the dime. The nickel, it's worth 5 cents. You see the front of the coin and you see the back of the coin. When I think about the nickel, I think about it as this person, who is Thomas Jefferson, is wearing I call it a collar, a collar there. And that's different from the quarter. I think those are the 2 coins that kids really confuse a lot of times. And so this nickel, this particular style of nickel, Thomas Jefferson is wearing a collar. That's the way I like to think about that. So let's read about the front of the coin. Thomas Jefferson, the 3rd president of the USA, is on the front of the nickel. On the back of the nickel, Monticello, Jefferson's house, is on the back of the nickel. It is pronounced Monticello rather than Monticello. It looks like it would be Monticello, doesn't it? But it really is Monticello. I'd like for you to notice here that there I find the words on the back of the nickel, 5 cents. So if I'm trying to add a combination of coins, if I'll just carefully analyze my coins, I might get some clues as to how I need to add the coin that I'm looking at. The wording here says that a nickel is worth 5 cents. And so you will use your label tool and you will type in a nickel is worth 5 cents and you will place it right here. Make sure you use those capital letters and end with a period. Dime. The dime is worth 10 cents, and the person, the president, that is on the face of the dime is Franklin Delano Roosevelt. He was the 32nd president of the USA, and of course his picture's on the front of the dime. The back of the dime, we find on the back of the dime an olive branch, a torch, and an oak branch, all on the back of the dime. And I want you to notice here, as you observe, the wording 1 dime is on the back of the coin. And then you're going to use your label tool and type in a dime is worth 10 cents and place it right here. Remember to start with a capital letter and end with a period. On this page, we will learn about the quarter, and then you'll take a little quiz. So the quarter is worth 25 cents, and on the front of the quarter is George Washington, the 1st president of the United States. On the back of the coin, this is the presidential coat of arms. That's on the back of the quarter. And I want you to notice here on the back of this quarter, there is the word quarter, dollar. So again, just carefully analyze your coins, and sometimes they will give you a clue about the value, the worth of the coin. And here the wording says a quarter is worth 25 cents. So again, you'll use your label tool, you'll type in a quarter is worth 25 cents and place that here. Then you will do a little quiz based on the information that you just learned. You can go back in the booklet if you need to. A penny is worth how many cents? That's the question. And you may use your pen tool or you may use your label tool, whichever is easier for you to go ahead and respond to these questions. A nickel is worth how many cents? A dime is worth how many cents? A quarter is worth how many cents? Which is worth more, a penny or a nickel? Which is worth more, a dime or a nickel? Which is worth more, a dime or a quarter? Okay, that's it. That's your little quiz. I know that you will do really well. If your parents want to actually print out the little booklet so that you can assemble it and staple it together, it's really a cute little booklet. And it's very helpful as we go through our unit of study on coins and counting combinations of coins and writing coins properly. It really is a helpful little booklet. So your parents could print this out for you if you'd like, but it's not necessary. Okay. Thanks so much. I look forward to your answers. I look forward to your work in today's Seesaw activity.